I was sent a 6-pack of high-density sponges for review, so let's check them out. So they come in a 6-pack and they have 3 different colors, 2 of each, and some of them come pre-moistened, which means that you can use them right out of the package. You have the option to, of course, use them completely dry, like this one is right now, or if you want to pick up dust, it is best to use the ones that are pre-moistened. Being high density means that they are very, very durable and super absorbent. They can pretty much absorb a full glass of water. They have a rich side and also a smooth side. So the smooth side is so that you can dry up any wet surface, and the ridge side here is so that you can easily pick up any dust or particles that are on the surface that you want to clean. Speaking of cleaning, these are super easy to clean. You just put them under a stream of water, or in my case, that's what I did. I put them under a stream of water and all the particles, were washed away without any effort at all. They make cleaning easy and they are easy to clean themselves. Wiping surfaces is really easy with this. You can use them on glass, on floor, on pretty much any type of surface. They are incredibly practical. They are great for getting any surface with excess liquids completely dry in just a few seconds. You just swipe them up and then squeeze it out in another place, the sink or whatever. And yeah, cleaning is super easy with this. So I really like this product and I'm pretty sure that you will like them too.